Hey guys, welcome back for another episode of Don's Lawns. In today's episode, I'm going full Movember. That's right. So, Lazy Lawns posted a video challenging everybody in the lawn care community and pretty much anyone to join the Movember challenge and to spread men's health awareness. Did you know that 1 in 9 men will be diagnosed with prostate cancer in their lifetime? So on a personal note, my grandfather had prostate cancer, so I'm actually pushing more towards that prostate cancer awareness as well. This year with the Movember, I decided I would jump on and try to spread some prostate cancer awareness. So there's a couple ways that you can help the cause out. One, you can grow a lovely mustache, maybe, cooler than mine. Or two, second part of the lovely mustache is talk about men's health during this month. Share some stories, spread some awareness on men's health. And the third thing that you can do is you can go to one of the links down below in the description and donate. Cancer research is ever growing and ever evolving. There's always a need for funding in the medical field. So please check out the cause. Go check out the links down below. You can purchase one of these cool shirts that Lazy Lawns is helping to spearhead, or you can also go and just find a nice foundation, Prostate Cancer Foundation. 84 cents of every dollar goes towards their research mission. So you might as well find something that helps out men's health and donate. So I want to call out a couple people for this Mow-Vember challenge, and the first one I want to call out is IMOWLOW. He has a big old mustache, beard combo usually. Sometimes he's got it trimmed down to like a goatee. Let's go ahead and let's go Movember. And the second person I want to call out is the lawn pusher. You better push that mustache to the limit. And then the last person I want to call out is going to be Ben the Lawn Guardian. I want to see your mustache the whole month. Not just that little handlebar for a week. I want to see your mustache for the whole month.